Hello everyone, welcome back to ABC News. Today, we are going to talk about increased fire weather risks across the country. Particularly in the Midwest, where the greatest risk is present. Widespread wildfires are likely, and air quality conditions will be extremely dangerous. Especially for those with breathing difficulties and conditions like asthma. Oh! Hold on folks, we are receiving transmission from the emergency alert system. You know how this goes. Please stay with us.
The National Weather Service has issued a fire danger warning for the entire Midwest region of the United States, effective until 9 p.m. Sunday. Increased significant weather conditions for wildfires will occur for 70% of the country with the greatest risk for fire weather in the Midwest. Please avoid outdoor fires and grilling. Do not burn anything, even this crappy video. Oh crap, fourth wall break, oh no. Okay anyways, ahem. Do not light off fireworks. Be prepared to evacuate in case an evacuation order is issued for your area. Go means go. Please prepare for widespread dry conditions favorable for widespread wildfires. Report all fires to your local fire department. The Kansas Fire Department has activated the emergency alert system to bring you this civil emergency bulletin. Wildfires are spreading throughout Kansas and is burning 90% of the land of Kansas. Multiple homes have been burnt and the fields look like charcoal. This is a very dangerous situation. The state of Kansas is also shrouded in smoke, which is a major breathing hazard. Multiple people have reported mass suffocation due to smoke. Please wear a gas mask to protect yourself. If you are still able to listen to this, do whatever you can to protect your life and property from the fires.
Wildfire emergency for Kansas. This is a statewide activation of the emergency alert system. Please listen closely. The entire state of Kansas has been completely wiped out by wildfires. Everything is burned. There is nothing left. Wildfire emergency for Kansas. This is a particularly dangerous situation. If there are any survivors, please evacuate the state immediately. Kansas is a lost cause and will never be recovered. Please do whatever you can to get out with your life.
Civil danger warning for the entire Midwestern states of America. The wildfires have engulfed the entire region, and soon it will engulf the entire country. Fellow citizens, I'm sorry to say, but this is it. Everyone is going to die in the next few hours. Please hug the people you love most and spend your last hours with them. If you are religious, pray to your God or goddess, and ask them to please spare us, because they can stop this at any time. If you are an atheist, then do whatever makes you happy. If you are an animal and can interpret this message, I am sorry that humanity has failed you. This is all a result of climate change. We have lost the war. Also, let's all have a moment of silence for all the people who thought this was a legitimate scenario. There is no way anyone actually thought this was good. This was an experiment, because I'm pretty dang sure that this trashy scenario will be picked up by the algorithm, since apparently everyone loves little to no effort. I even gave you people a clue that this was a joke at the beginning when I broke the fourth wall. Actually wait, shit, I'm doing it again, but who cares since this video is over. And no, this is not a part of my joke series. I guess anyone who actually sat through this deserves a reward, so here, we will end it with this.